Hi creators, welcome back to my channel, and in this videos I've been helping you out in terms of creating a bloggers, YouTube channels, SEO, and on page SEO, off page SEO, how to make a Facebook marketing, Google ads, and other stuffs. I hope this video is going to be useful for you guys. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Today we are going to learn how to do advanced settings in YouTube. So advanced settings, how to do is like, no, we are already logged into our YouTube channels, and this is my YouTube channel, and you have to go to settings here, settings general. Here you have to select Indian rupees, all right, and channels. Here, as I'm already given India, advanced settings, you have to these three options are there for audience, and yes, set this channel made for kids. I always upload content that's made for kids. If you are doing a YouTube channel for kids, then you can say yes here. If you're not doing for anything related to kids, then you have to say no, set this channel as a not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. So the channel which I'm making is not for kids, so I say no for this. And you can always link account if you have anything like Google Analytics, anything that you wanted to link, you can link it. So that options already is there here. And don't show potentially inappropriate words. So this, if you don't want to add any inappropriate words, then you can go ahead and do it, but I don't want to add here now anything, so I go ahead and save this. And next is feature eligibility, that's supposed to be enabled both here. Okay, mine is already phone verification is done. In future, if it is possible, I'll teach you how to do a phone verification also. Then comes upload default. This is very important zone, because as you upload videos related to some certain niche, you need not to type every time the same niche again and again. To save your time, you have to keep the content ready and put the basic informations here, so that once you upload your video, all these things will be automatically filled over there, and it will be time saving, and lot more benefits are there. So I'll show you how to add this. So I have added how to create a YouTube advanced settings on YouTube, and I have already given the hashtag also, YouTube advanced settings. So up to 100 sentences that you can use, and then you can add the description here. I already had a description. I just copy pasted it here, saying that Blessing Institution is one of the top institution in institute in Bangalore, affiliate with Skill India, NSDC, and Blessing Institution also is one of the top institution in Bangalore, and with 100% job guaranteed. Professionals are teaching in regards to this, and we are into affiliate marketing, social media marketing, off page, on page SEOs, and how to start your YouTube channel marketing, and how to start Pinterest marketing, Instagram marketing, and LinkedIn marketing, digital marketing, and other stuffs. We have added certain, it is very important to add the hashtag also, and this timeliner also you should add, because it will start showing you which first 0 minutes what is the content that you have added, 1 minute what is the content that you have added. If you want this, you just request me, I'll put it in the description, which is very important for all the YouTuber to add this. And other than that, I have put the key stuffs too, which are the things, and I've given the link also, my Pinterest account and my blogger account. So after putting all these things, if you don't make it as a public, it is a waste of putting all the content here. So make sure that its visibility should be public, it shouldn't be private or unlisted. So make sure your visibility should be public, and you should always add a tag. So that is very important. I have added only 5 now tags. Learn Twitter marketing, learn Instagram marketing, how to create a backlinks, and learn digital marketing and create a blogger, and YouTube marketing. I have saved that, and again I'll go back to the channels and advanced settings. I have did this, and features enable. I have enabled these two. Upload default. I have uploaded, as I said, everything. And advanced settings, you need not to change anything here. They would have given two options. Always make sure the standard YouTube license supposed to be here. In the language, you select English or whichever the language that you are making a YouTube channel. So my channel is on English, so I put it in English itself only. Let this be none only. Title description should be in English only. And high potentially inappropriate comment for review. Once people give the any review on this, so make them to hold potentially inappropriate. If they have given any inappropriate comments, so that supposed to be hold. Don't allow all the comments, so that if they put any inappropriate, you cannot block it. So keep this as a thing. I saved it. Again I'll go check in settings. Permissions, I already let that be that only. Advanced settings, we have nothing to add or remove here. I hope that's all for the day, and I hope this video is helping you to create your creating and making your YouTube channel better versions. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you and have a great day.